Another day, another health tip. Hello everyone, welcome to our video on the best ways to reduce hair loss. Before we dive in, it's important to understand that hair loss can be caused by a variety of factors such as genetics, hormonal changes, and certain medical conditions. However, there are still ways to reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. The first and most effective way to reduce hair loss is to maintain a healthy diet. Eating a diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly those that support hair growth such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and iron, can help to keep your hair healthy and strong. Another way to reduce hair loss is to use gentle hair care products. Avoid using harsh chemicals or heat styling tools on your hair, as these can damage the hair shaft and lead to breakage. Instead, opt for natural and sulfate-free hair care products. Exercise is also a great way to promote hair growth. Regular exercise can help to increase blood flow to the scalp, which can provide the hair follicles with the necessary nutrients to grow. Scalp massage is also a great way to reduce hair loss. By massaging the scalp, you can increase blood flow to the hair follicles, which can promote hair growth. Additionally, managing stress is important in reducing hair loss. High levels of stress can lead to hair loss, so finding ways to manage stress such as yoga, meditation, or journaling can help to reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. It's also important to note that some hair loss may be caused by underlying medical conditions, so it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing excessive hair loss. Thanks for watching, and remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle, use gentle hair care products, and consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing excessive hair loss. Subscribe the channel for more videos.